So first of all, we need to import two modules. One is datetime, which helps us get the current date and time, and the other is zoneinfo, which allows us to work with different countries' time zones. Without zoneinfo, Python would only use our local computer's time. Now let's create a dictionary that stores the countries and their corresponding time zones. The key is the country name that the user will enter, and the value is the time zone string that Python understands. Whenever the user enters a country, we'll use this dictionary to find its correct time zone. You can also add more countries later by following the same format. Next, I'm creating a while true loop. This keeps the program running continuously so the user can check the time for multiple countries without restarting the program. Inside the loop, I'm asking the user to enter a country name. I also use .lower so that whether the user types India, India, or India, it will always be converted to lowercase and match the dictionary key. Now, I want to give the user a way to exit the program. If they type either quit or exit, the program prints a message and then uses break to stop the loop completely. Now comes the important part. Since the user might enter an invalid country name, I'm using a try except block. Inside the try block, I first find the country's time zone from the dictionary. Then I pass that time zone into datetime.now, using zoneinfo, which gives me the current date and time of that specific country instead of my own local time. If the user enters a country that doesn't exist in the dictionary, Python would normally crash with an error. But because we're using try except, the program simply prints the error and continues asking for another country. The now variable contains the complete date and time, but for greeting the user, I only need the hour, so I use .hour to extract just the hour value. I'm also printing it so we can see what hour Python has returned. Finally, I'm using an if-elif-else statement to decide which greeting to display. If the hour is between 3 a.m. and 11 a.m., it prints good morning. If it's between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m., it prints good afternoon. Between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m., it prints good evening. Any other time, which means late night or early morning, it prints good night. And that's our complete project. We learned how to use dictionaries, loops, user input, exception handling, modules, time zones, and conditional statements, all in one practical program. You can even improve this project by adding more countries or displaying the current date along with the greeting.